Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black, and long time no see. It has been a while since I've been on doing a video, but I'm here doing one today. And today I am doing a review on this cordless lamp. If you have a place that you don't have a plug for it, where you can plug in a lamp, this is the lamp for you. This little beauty right here runs by batteries. So stay around so you can enjoy this review. And this lamp, you can buy it on Amazon. This is a table lamp, and it is a rechargeable lamp, and it has LED lights with 3 levels on it. So let's open it up and check her out. Get the packaging so we can get it all out. Okay, get this foam off of here. Oh, it is a beauty. If you have a nightstand on your dining room table or a place in your house that you don't have a plug for, this will be the perfect little lamp to go there. Here is your cables to charge it. I hope it has a little charge on it because I did not charge it. But look, I want you to be able to see. It is gold. Okay. And it has a gold base. Gold here. Here is your plug. And it's 3 different levels for the light. And you see this tulip looking glass base here. This is nice. Let me put it back down some more so you can see her all. Put it right there. Let me tell you a little bit about it. This is a rechargeable table lamp, LED lights. It has 3 gears to it. Dimming is also with this tulip petal glass shade here. It has an aluminum base, and it can be used for your living room, dining room, bedroom, anywhere you need lighting. If you have a student in college and they need some extra lighting and don't have a plug there for it, let's see where you plug her in at. Oh, it's here where you will plug it. Can you see it right here? You take that off. Well, flip it up, and that's where you will charge it at, right there. Okay, let's check out the lighting and see how it is looking. Wow. That's 1, 2, 3. And then there's off. She is a beauty. This is a beauty. So you can see her in full. There. This tulip petal lamp is built with a rechargeable battery with a Type-C charging cable. A Type-C charging cable. It can be lit continuously for 12 hours. This light can be on continuously for 12 hours. And lighting can be used while you're charging it. While you're charging it, you can still use this little light. Will you look at there? Let me turn this light out so you can get the full effect. I turn my other lamp off. Okay, there it is. There. This is nice and oh, so cute. It is just darling. I believe I will put it on my makeup, where I put my makeup desk. I can't get my words out today, y'all, but I will use it there. It would be perfect right there. I have a little lamp there, but I love this gold base. But it comes in several different colors. Let me read the box so I can tell you the colors that it comes in. I know black is one of the colors. Okay. Can't see it right now. Black, silver, right on the top, y'all. It comes in, can you see it? Gold, silver, and black. Those are the colors. And you can use that anywhere you want it. Anywhere you need extra lighting, this would be perfect. I'm trying it on and off switch. Make sure I'm not missing anything important to tell you. And the box, it comes with the lamp, the USB cable, and the user manual is in there. This light can be used in a variety of ways on the dining room table, bedside table. The brightness of the lamp can regulate by the pull switch. And if you are needing extra lighting and looking for it, I will have down below in the description the link to Amazon so you can purchase this light. This little baby, to me, is well worth it. It is just a darling. And it has a little weight to it, y'all. Has a little weight. But I like that you don't have to plug it into the wall. And it stays charged for 12 hours. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, for listening to this review. It has been a good one, but like I said, I will have all the information down below in the description. Everyone be blessed. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. And our God does not make any junk. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. You see Bentley walking around. He got to get in on everything. He think he has to be in all the videos also. So everyone be blessed and thank you for coming by.